Ay.
Hello song. Hey.
Okay, so let's start now. That's very much. Okay. One packet distributed. At ang mga technica. Okay, I think we are going while waiting for our inducting officer. We're going to start now our proper program, and then the rest will follow. So we'll only wait for the induction later, when Vice Mayor come later. So as formal, we're going to start our program by the opening prayer. Since Madam Domingali, our advisor, is not here for some reasons, we call for Ma'am Miriam Casio to lead us the opening prayer. Come here.
Wanang akong manakabalin, manyaman kami muha ni mana ako, akan mo, pasinok kami dyan, that Lord, ikamami sunsi kami, activities niyo ako, that nanangara kadiwa ko yung planos ni plano, asosasyon ni that Lord, at sikang kadiwa makiadasan si kami, that asisyon dami pang pangikamangan tatlo at sikang mga kadiwa pumama. That Lord, kasalun at mi, at sikang kadiwa mo, ang bendisyon ni sakit ang sakit si kadiwa mo. That Lord, hadya isyubatan mi, kabaan itanagan mo. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Thank you very much for that very nice prayer. And then we now proceed to the Pambansang Awit, led by Miss Delia Vargas, the abroad member.
Ayang magiliw, persang silanganan, alam ng puso, sa ibig mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, luya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka masisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mo'y buka, may nilatang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang iskap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at araw niyang kailan pa may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walang ipagsinta, buhay lang sa piling mo. Ang ligaya ng may mga api, ang matay ng dahil sa'yo.
Thank you so much. Then we now go to the opening remarks to be given by Honorable Sunny Olas, one of the SB member.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Marks. Magtanga-accept tayo namin. Magtanga-ako tayo namin. It looks a wonderful day today because of your attire. especially Tarjo, talaga na abroad talaga. Yeah? So congratulations, I want to express my congratulations to all of you for coming into one in organizing yourselves. Yeah? So, Aji talaga na importante sa kadaan tayo ni man. Aji rekonon ini financing institutions kata talagang organize. So hopefully, the organization tayo kat real organizations. Yeah? As in-observe tayo sa Sibugod with the past experience I had in my political career kat real organizations. Pinanaksang dialogue kat ay simala. Yeah? Aman Muslim, may organization tayo yung bukod just because ni law na kung naksan ang simala. So, experience tayo yun. Anyway, alam mo kita nakapanikwa ni siya ng what yung experience tayo. Noong the previous years na bay-bay katimpo, waray na taga-Bagyo dyan ng conduct na study siya bukod. Kapitan ng pelang na ayaw sa day na punong barangay Sipila. At in interview, kwanto in conduct siya study mag-upli cooperative sila associations. At kwanto, awanti istadyar tayo no apay na awanti ag saksaksid na cooperative kin associations pa to. Itinaksyon, in interview. Kat natira rin mga data tayo, ma'am, kwanto gapo iti siguro tao gati tayo yung iba doon ko noon. Iba doon ko dyan minsan? Umimuday ko no, wala ko no individual sa instinct tayo siya. Di iba doon. Di no, maminsan ka sinabihan tayo kata individual mo bakit tayo tayo kayo kwenta. Iso naman ko no man prosper the organizations. Nang kung kumatrikisan si Kado in the future we will prove the mistakes na resulta ng study ko. Yeah? So hopefully, haja association tayo, improve tayo di tuloy-tuloy yan, pakatsang tayo. Yeah? So, when your papers reaches my office, sila committee siya ni laws, trade industry, is one of the accreditations of the associations, handle si committee. So, nakamagkandak na study. When I read your constitution bylaws, especially abroad mo kayo itong iya. Talagang abroad kayo talaga namin itapuan siya. Kapag kunay cover page, kung ako no, aman invitar ni man abroad, talagang nagkapulihan si abroad. So, congratulations niya. At sa kapiyang kumungat dya, iunay-unay, hadyan iunay, na kaya advice na of course, karakdan so si kayo kat ang tayo ng channel ko. Ang tayo challenges na biya ko is manuway pa na sila ko ningis niya na kaitugtug ni Ulay pangikuan di sa successful game association tan successful di pamilya kat otowas Kristo biya niya. When I am reading the Bible na kaya karakala apos ya ka kanay susurong kurma na associations. So it came to my mind the story ng Joseph. Ang tayo story ng Joseph, the interpreted dreams, word ng Genesis, yung natin yung Bible tayo Genesis. Si Joseph, saki ang balbalaw ni Akito. Yeah? Ang balbalaw siya kaapa-apali. Tapos si kato'y paborito ng Jacob, niya tatanto. Tatain na papala ni anak ni Akito. Ito talaga Akito, inda ko siya Egypt. Tapos si Egypt, nung tandang tempo, pero kung manungkal pa, kada si Israel, manungkal ni Tagabo, o ng Islim, di ako man tayo, Tagabo pa tayo ni Ibadoy. Niya, natali ko naksan Ibadoy ito, medyo na naksan si Sapat na gusto mo Tagabo pa, pero ko na Islim. Tata, inda ko ni Akito si Joseph. Inambalin si Joseph sa slave, iyon pa na udarat Egypt. Kabul ni Amtatos Apicios, nang successful si Kato. Idi may motok ibitil, may motok sukogat ibitil, iba din mo lang, iba din si Sapat. bitin at Israel makamakan ng kaagang ito si Israel. Si Kadri pimakan sa pamilya to. At to sila kasakit sa ta inda pa dyan sa sakit-sakit dyan. Hindi ako siya susita to. So siya ko na tayo sa aming gayang dya banat dya di gata pasamakson si Kadri at wala yung plano na po siyos. Tano, pasamaksotan. No, nang wala niya slave si Egypt, istay sa pamilya to, tat istay ang si umpakan, so no tempo ni bitin niya. So inandigat si Kato na hamanggan ang plano na pusyos, isay way umpakan sa ni pamilya to. So no na ko, so ang tak nakawati, based on the stories yang nikagait sisikay na abroad, di kwan siya, bakwan siya abroad na may nandigat kami mo, di ba? Ang istorya yun. Kaya mga tumubudya no, wala Pilipinas. Nung lusik kami naman, wala mo to ka-abroad, silang kahil ni ulay. At one of the issue okay, sa abroad lang bigat kami mo. Sa inastos, of course, para sa ni pamilya yo, and you contributed to so much in the economy of the Philippines. Yan, taho dollar ay nakaka-duty. So, aman, ikaw na lang to. So, ikong-kumpara ko, tapos ng Joseph, ay istorya ng Joseph, sinura similarity o tanang kaya kumandikidikat si abroad para sa pamilya yun, and at the same time para sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. So congratulations ni pangkanyatan niya. Is mo walay bitil, ali di pilisi kayong bulan may mubiyag kaya ang kayo sinukondyo niya. Sa Jesus Joseph, kanya ay tainanong ng pasya, ang tayo nangyari pa si katapat tambalin ni Governor si Egypt. Yung pambalan pero ni Governor ni Egypt. Si Kato may manage ni Egypt, bimak ng isang namwaras apusyos isang si Kato. So, hatan paka-istorya ng Joseph. That is a true story dyan nangyari so ng Joseph. So naikong pakawat sila medyo waray pagka amanisikay si kayo dapod-dapod niya. Bigat, waray bigat. Naman, piyakon istorya, initial istorya ng Apo Presidente. And before that, kaya mo congratulate kayo niya. So, President yo, Apo Ma'am President, Ma'am Melanie Antonio, Vice President Helena Velasco, hindi na rin marami. Marisa Tomas, Secretary, congratulations, of course, Treasurer Deborah Sinas, sila Chiche? Ay! Si Ma'am Lolita Tamiray. Tapos si Dolores Tubaang.
Yes, sir.
Si Ma'am Dolores Lydia Basilio. Milani. Ay, may picture. Milani, Helen Dolores, Agustino Rodeo. Dumingali, Sis Dumingali ganyan. Carolina Akia, Ma'am Carolina. Sige. So congratulations on si kayo niya. Sige, you are the first officers niya. Bali si kayo ng buo niya the association tayo. So we are looking forward kay partners on si kayo as a committee ni Labor and Employment, si Kadri Committee ni Labor. Kat waray ordinance siya na binuwa ngay tayo, ikandak ni trade fair, yearly trade fair. Jawatakan man sila hindi sa mid-month at the whole month of December. Diba the whole month sa December, siya kaya dyan alin ko nakad. Nung siya kadan tayo, siya itong kalan, siya kaya pasyalan ni bisita tayo. So we came up to a resolution, ordinance sa National Review Province. Yung mga ikandak kayo through the municipal government. And sa itawagin mo kuman talagang utamanda kuman display kat associations. Patandang na ron. Of course, second month, meron ka private. Baka wala like private yan doon man restaurant. So we are looking forward man successful man partner kita juga sa itong tulong kayo. At the same time, man profit kayo. At the same time, umaptan mo ekonomi tayo, munisipyo tayo, bukod niya. So, tayo kapanon niya sa amin tuman niya. Maray, silimito ni Highway Shiman, numabudin. Anyway, the first 2 week ni December may suki-suka na ordinance niya. Kat balbalang kumano, umanta sa siya kalmusun siguro, sa kalaprodukto yun. Sa wala i-display tayo niya, Di ba, una ka dun siya madugat ka, siya hal na, erotis ka ito sa taling ka, siya natatay bulat yan siya na si pasyalan. So hopefully, isang nakamangkaya ting pasya, at patistoryan lane, haman mo yung purpose ng organization yun, so magbalang nung partnership, makipartner kayo ng munisipyo niya, para sa niya man. At nakaamta, skillful kayo at ada po kayo na abroad. Baka siya pa yung tatunan dito na kailasin makan, Koreano, kas kada enchik, di siya kalundog na sila kalsawan pagkanan tayo niya. So, at again, congratulations on si kayo in at this moment of time, at this juncture, we will now formally open the program. So, thank you very much to all of you.
Wow, that was so nice and sweet. We will try to take into that, sir, and thank you. With your help, we will try to make it happen, prosper. With your help, lang yan. Kasi, agreement lang kayo dagano si kami bangat, no, ay siya tulong ni Regius of Bukod. So, maybe we will try to do it. We will do it. Yeah? And hope it will come true. And it's not a dream, it's not just a dream, but it will come true. Someday, somehow, it may not be easy because it is not like a walk in the park, but then with the cooperation of each members and of course the support from the office, from your office, and I think we can do it. So while waiting for the message from the municipal mayor and the induction proper, I would like first to call, just and sign. So, sorry, here. So, thank you, sir, for that very nice message for us, especially for incorporating the word from the Bible. That it's really the best or the important thing for us. And as you can proceed, may I call for Ma'am Helena Velasco to relate us of how Abroad was formed. So, Ma'am Helena Velasco is our Abroad Vice President.
Mayata ang sakatay namin, Vice Mayor and Kadawat Olas. Good morning. Iman ko bagat i-short story ni how Abroad was formed. Hatila Abroad niya, aming Canadian members, abroad ito po kami most especially si Hong Kong. Simply si Hong Kong, close knitted kami niya. Hindi mahal kami manitya, may kaampangay mo kasaya. Kapanin si Hong Kong. Isa nga one time, it was in June 2022, nan-call kami ni meeting, manaas-call kami. At sa chika-chika, inapay nantatagtawa kami, no, may form tayo, may association tayo sa Pilipinas. It took time, 3 years ago, mga 3 years mga, adigat manusing kasyon. Adigat isinok, banda ni ako issue, may nagtulay bandagan issue. So, limang bulan, talaga yung kami, we have to, man tayo mani-approve. Since community approve, sa Lipilak to, kung ito tayong pa mo, Honorable Olas, kung sa mo, sabat na Lipilak, imbis nga ang ship. At recently, we need the man mo pa, kung sa mga source of income, hatang isa kayo purpose ng association, at least as individuals, pag man kami hindi bad-income kami. Asan sa kayo pa, yung tanong individual as kanya sa adilat katasyon ni asistansi tuwid no. Matami sa kaya sina-propose niya manmi association. Yung kadihan tayo matami din po ng honorable oras niya. Sina simbok kapisili naman si Mangay. Siya tinawag ito rin. Advice naman tayo manod rin. So,
So masakit po maasan si yung members niya, United we stand, divided we fall. Ituloy tayo amantay din Hong Kong. Ang sinahatang mo mga ng sugyan niya na asosasyon. Salamat.
So next Ma'am Shirley. So we don't have message from here. The office of the year. Since we don't have the message from the, I think she will catch up later. So we now proceed now to the induction proper. But I think maybe Pastor will give us the message. I think we'll go first to the induction, or message first, or induction first. Okay. So we proceed first to the induction proper, and then may call first for the president. If I call your name, you have to come up, and come forward. And we have here the president, Miss Melanie Antonio. Antonio pa rin. Wala siya magawa. Siya rin president. So, Vice President, Miss Helena Velasco. The secretary is yours truly, Marisa Lomas. And then the treasurer, we have Deborah Sinas from Daklan. The assistant treasurer is Miss Lolita Samira of Poblacion. We have the business manager, business manager 1, Dolores Tubalang from Bubo, Rizal. And business manager 2, Lilia Basilio. From Poblacion. From Aries. And the auditor number 1 is Angeline Dolores T. From China. Yeah. Kapsat ni Alice Go. And we have auditor 2, Agustina Dolteo from Bidan. We have advisors here. Miss Dominga Lee is also a Chinese. Kapsat na lang ni Alice Go. but due to some problems, she wasn't able to make it to come today. And another advisor, Miss Carolina Akia from Baguio City, Daklan, Baguio City. So these are the officers, and of course our inducting officer. This is our very own Vice Mayor, Attorney Eric Don Ignacio.
Say no. Speaking of office, please raise your right hand and bow after me. I state your name. Having been elected to the position of the Association of Brave and Resilient OFWs amidst diversity abroad.
Of the Association of Brave and Resilient OFWs amidst diversity abroad.
Do hereby solemnly swear that I will conscientiously and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my present position. That I will uphold and defend the Association's Constitution and bylaws. And bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the policies of the Association. That I will actively participate and support all activities and programs
all activities and programs,
including those that shall benefit the association
including those that shall benefit the association,
in general and the members in particular,
in general and the members in particular,
and that finally
and finally,
I shall impose this obligation upon myself
I shall impose the obligation upon myself,
voluntarily and without mental reservation
voluntarily without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Well, kalyo may ada papel.
Ay, sige. Ken, you stay Ken. Di ba naiyak kayo ng Pilipinas, makipang kayo niya. So, aja iyan ang gusto kayo bag iyay, parakihan iyay. Parakihan ko nga iyan, karang doon sa lang niya suma ang purpose niya. So, pakipresent dyan sa yamay. Ay, si Baba, silupin si Baba. Ya kamu may istinan ni buat-buat kita. Ito ba sila ni sub-sub tayo, magasin. Maya kibiyan na sa doon yung sub-sub, tayo yung chismis. Sub-sub at yes. So, yan. Thank you very much. Sige. Ay, your picture, sige.
Thank you.
Lupas. Okay, 100 Mr. Habang tayo. So, sige. So, good afternoon, masong sigara dyan. Kasi dabas malaya pangan. Mata-assure pa siya, good morning na tatat, anong ipangan tayo. So, ibig sabihin, welcome ng Honorable Ulas kung si Kanyumin siya office tayo. This is our home. So, anytime that Pianjuman meeting, we can always have this. No, next, alam ko ba conference room tayo ba? So, mabiging si Man pa meeting no secret meeting niya. No, about niya pila, kung sabihin na ito. I-schedule jud mamo niya, kapag pag-waray meeting, may katman mambobangga kita yung siya. No, yan jud man-iring siya, sa may dakam kami biring dayo, o pinata. Siya ay gura mga happy meet siya, meeting me every Tuesday siya, meeting meet siya. So you can always come, meeting kahit yung Pianjo, it's always open for you. The message na po Ulas, of course, I hope that you take it by heart also. And I am very happy because of the OFWC Hong Kong, for the first time, nakalapagap si abroad for the first time because of their invitation. Yeah? Yung nakakanta no, walang man invitation siya, walang man tani. So tani first time, di man lugang pa aeroplano, di man siya abroad, di siya mapapamani siya man po Hong Kong. So nga, very memorable, that was the first time, 2016, the first country na binisita si interumbiyan ko kat Hong Kong. Yeah? And dapat man alin ta August 11. Oh, apa yung siya kayo man? Kaya joa alin. So, Hajay kay ko nung 2016. Nga pa nung 2016. Jet, ma-enjoy naman ni Kawas in Hong Kong. So, pangpay, sa saya kay espesalan, di mapasyal country at Hong Kong because gano'n man kaibigan. Di mga ipasyal sa sikata, siya kita ka-spoil laban. Namadi, abad ni sakbat, alam ni pasalubong, daw kita di Hong Kong. Agun anay si aeroplano. Kita ka masyasya na limang exit na tayo. Kailan to, etc. Kita ka matansal, sukulit niya ulay, makan. I-relate ko mga sa experience ko ba, 2016, is na alimod ba, is na naatibak siya dito, is na igaw siya si Shupaw mo, pamulit sa ating bitsin. Inatib siya kailan siya yung mungkong, jetpan siya ay sige kami konsert ni konseratan ang mugawin ko, maatiw. Kasi sige kami konsert nito Philippine Peso, siya respitual siya, pati sikang pa siya kapandalapsi, kung kayo nga agpaiso. Iso nga, sa hali realization tayo. Amin to no, ito parang kita di aeroplano, ang manamnam niya. Ang parang in-experience yun tayo, parang kita di aeroplano, imang turbulence niya. Ang manamnam may siya may pampatingkaan ni Bianco. Kita ka mapindikin man reflect ni ito yung direksyon ng Biago, no? Ito ay dagi-dagi Biago niya. So, for you as our OFWs, kita dyan naman sa dapat sumisig kayo for your contribution. So, ni country tayo Pilipinas, and most especially, so ni Pamilya. Ang kabilang, ba't sakripisyo ikan, nagjulo naman na Pamilya, bigma din manayra, si tatay ni Shumatoo, kinakadyo ang may putot, uno anak ni Shumatoo. So, anak jo at manaw na junungan. So this is the time for you to enjoy the DJ. And as much as we would like the unda pa yung mga kumad-abroad, siguro ay pansanaan nagbipilit niya. Siguro, alimon kayo ka man na, kayo ka man kabubapol manim sa iba, si Pianjungon man-enjoy ni atender ni Kehan. Iso nga inak na may kajulitan. Hatan ibinis nyo, tapangkekan niya. Hatan ni purpose ni Tan niya. Kagos kayo manipikan binis siya kajumo ni kakaibigan niya. Ang tayo sa kaipan, numaminsan, si kami officialis malang, numaminsan kami kaunso ko ni solicit, numaminsan may kaipan si Gusyo sana naman ni kaibigan niya. Isumukot tayo sa kaipan si kayo, pasalubong, kaya kayo masakti no siya pasalubong idupayo niya. Sige, syukulit ito pa palang tugdupa, samak siya sa si kayo itan niya. Tanong siya na dyan, samak siya na dyan pansanahan. Sa siya kapansana, ipat antira, related sa si kara. Apa iraman sana sa si kayo, no? Nag siya ka dyan amanta. Tapos ay ito, si Alan to kita ni Babi, masana kita sumil, tuon kita kaamansinan. Kakamansinan sulit sa kaya tuon, no? Close ka sa si kara. Iso nga pa, ang kanta, nakamansinan, agit kita. Iso nga, no, minsan, kaya pa naara, di ko yan, tak demi ni di alin ni chocolate alin. Jadi mo to ni solicit juman no sana yun. No jupo siyan, kan huta that street ali no huta amatungkal alin man man basta ada mo di bagju but pansisi matan siya kan alin yung kapagitan niya. So takat sana tayo ni sana aki. Sana tayo no sikan jud sana amta. Jet may iya dinamnam jo as an association. You have to continue. Kita cuma begini on social media. Anong ibak nang tayo, nagbubedi. Natapan siya ibamon, imamalay ibak nang, imamalay nang kubak nang bimuwas dira. Gusto mo sikatan anong ibak nang to, dapat mas umuwas kita, isa so tayo uwas din ang kubak nang to. So kaya ito nasa sa effort tayo pag-ugda, ang tak di yung miss sa kata-ugda yun, ang tak di mas doon yun. You're very, very industrious, in survive di abroad. Jet noon ang mulitin mo kung mag-iwit di era siya, kita kapag-ipay-payas niya. Siya, maaabot tayo oras.
Yan inatiwan.
Oo, nataliwan.
In the West, in the West.
Namin kita sa lipo nito, kamu guli maas mo nito. Piano masamanuan ni Matlong nagsakit ang talima. Inset si Hong Kong. Yan, kung mo yung constituents mo, si kaya, ito ka kapag-ipay-payas na. Just by in fact, encourage if your association can talk to the mayor to encourage him to give you a space. Within you can maintain a canteen or You can maintain a business CI to help us with the tourism plan. Yeah? You can become the frontline tourism. Because si kayo, sanay kayo sa issue na to. Yeah? You have to teach us. Diyan ituro nyo si kami nung pinasyaw sila abroad. Nung di kasi nga, manduto. Yeah? Manduto pa, no manduto kayo mga kataray. Kasi nga, balaw tayo ibigyan pingkan. Yeah? Namin si Idol Roxy naman doon. Tinutunan sa kasuliman. You teach us how. Nung ito kasi may break mo nila dinambong ang katat na yung saan. Hindi mo naman nandito kita. Sa nagwara di bisita tayo, you help us entertain them and you help us feed them also. So I give you this idea. Siguro by the end of this year, we have some more space because na-transfer mali na sumaupisin at siya. You try to talk to the mayor dyan, mabiding dyan. You can ask kung mabili natin sa kanyang space where you can maintain a small canteen. Yeah? Tahaman ni kasapulan mit siya. Yeah? We don't have a canteen. So if your association can maintain that, yeah? To have a small canteen. Naman how do you see? Malugi tayo. Yeah? Kasapulan naman business tayo so that it will thrive. So that there is future after Hong Kong. No? After nung maksaya kontrata yung Hong Kong, it's not the end of everything. Yeah? You have to bring to us also. Nung tuman ay learnings dun abroad, you have to teach the people here. And mahutupan business is something dyan kurang sun sikat dun siya kaiba duyan. Yeah? Ang tayo nung tangan na siyempre ko lang nagpilat me nung tan. Numasudat kami siya sa natin siya Hong Kong. Asan ang magap ng mga after 3 months? Ay si text ng tan nga eh. Gusto mo naman sudat kami, di si pagwali mo to kung sa namin. Kasapulan mo nun kung kita. Diyan, kukugan ko nung tanga nga ng elementary, kukugan nagmitin kami sa sikat. Si manangkutan sila na kung nagmitin kami tatadong. Kung tipasing tayo ay mag-business man dyan ko pati dyan ni Balot. Sino pa siya sa minandaman ni Balot? After 1 week, alugi ko tayo. Yung kapandadang ko ni Balot, at mabayang kami, at may ang mga business. Kami kaya di iba doon ito ang ng business. Sa tali sa akin, ituro tayo kung mag-aki tayo that we have to learn how to conduct business. Kung tipasing tayo mag-conduct the business. Sa akin yung pan-overtaken ni kaido-ido because very brave yan mag-business. Very brave yan. As one association, that's one thing mabili na pala tinulungan dyan. If you can show the other associations na kaya dyan man business, kaya dyan man thrive ito business dyan, they will follow. Magbukay rason si kayo, nantoy pasing dyan, nantoy ipasin dyan ng saksi. Then, we can always help you naman tumanalitan because you have helped us for all these years. It's probably our time also to help you and for us to help one another most importantly. Tiga, you try to come up with a business plan and present it. Balbalan mo, convince ng Diyos Mayor to give you a place there to maintain a business. Sa kaya idea, sa kaya piyakon i-propose ko ba at tourism site siya. Nobody is maintaining that. You propose to the Mayor a beautiful tourism information. Mambili tourism information, see kayo frontliners, you will entertain our visitors, you will entertain our tourists. I-describe dyan, mamama, okay na po pasyal siguro, dyan may tourist spots niya. Kasi po na naman daw kayo yung tourist spots. But, mabalik dyan isabay siya a little business. Dyan, coffee, it's a small coffee shop, it's a snack house, mabalik dyan. Mandublitan, akas a snack house and akas a tourist information area. So, it can be a MOA between your association and the municipal government so that you will maintain the upkeep sa maintain na lang dyan yung equipment siya, i-maintain na lang dyan yung building, waray dito kitchen kasi si Anjo mo, that will be your counterpart. So, that's my proposal to you. I have not yet proposed it to the mayor, so you propose it. Si kayo mag-propose nita. And kung the trainings you are abroad, kung yun na Anjo din man, you apply it here. You apply it here. Sa ino, aligo mo nga ito sana, aligo mo nga ito chocolate, pasalubong dito si kami. Of course, ang pinaka-importante pasalubong dito si kayo, that you are here now, sa inyo siya kalibutan. Siya kalibutan tayo. Kalagudib ka na sa last day of registration, at no September 30. So, habol niya. Bahaw rason si kayo ang nabutos ni 2 elections, you have to register again. but that's not what is important. What is important is for your organization to thrive. Yeah. So for your organization to prosper, you have the advantage of visiting other places. You have the advantage of experience. You have the advantage of training. We will be here to support you. We will be here to give you support nung tumalito ng kasapulan, except financial mo. Yeah? Kakanta. No. Uncle, si kami pang number 1 naman nung ka. Nung tumalito na naman. I hope you can see the potential. Na tayo din mo na kapanipan habang may sinawaiting siya sinan. Kasi siya din man sinan eh. So if you can propose to the mayor that you can become the frontliners of our tourists. Yeah? Hindi kayo maintain ni tourists or visitors, mga iconic directions, and at the same time, you can maintain that as your coffee shop. Yeah? Mandublitan at as tourist visitor center. You can have a coffee shop there, you have souvenir shops there, souvenir shop. Sa yung lugar ay mabuka ni souvenir, you can have it there. Yeah? Sa importante, wala kung may utuod pa. Yeah? That is my... wala ba si Bubok man? Sabi mo baka nangusod ko si Bubok. Wala tourist center tayo man, ay si man iyan. Yeah? So, maybe, I don't know, I'm giving you that as a challenge to convince si Mayor. No? Sikat kinonvince ko lang pa ko. It's just that you have to convince the Mayor noon to i-present yung mayat the business proposal dyan man. Sa ino kung espesyal ko may man. So sikat personally, but I'm seeing it as a very, very huge potential ko man. Sa ino ko naman iyan siya ni Saturdays and Sundays. Sa ino ko rin ang mas tourist ni Saturdays and Sundays. Siguro kayo man, you do it on rotation. Lumak siya yung misa. Iba dyan, kalat siya ng kape, na mali ng dibshi niya. Nung maray bayan siya na simbahan, ikaw siya. Sa ino ko rin siya ma-activity tayo sa buwan. Alam mo na tamak siya yung misa to nakakita na ang siman sa skran tayo manaliman niya. Let's help one another nung magpagilitan dyan proposal mo sa tayo. And then later on, siguro, no, ubak na kayo ni Basit, you can add a second floor. Si top, which is yung dagan siya ni second floor man, napusin yung dagan ni second floor man, it will be a beautiful coffee shop, tourist center. And that can become a joint project of Abroad and the municipal government ni Bukod. So I hope you're taking notes. So, kanta guras nanapit sa lingaran mo, ng Margie, siguro siya that i-adopto mo sunod Mayor habang itulog yung kape, ipinpinsuwa ka mo. So, pakimitin kayo sunod Mayor, nag-aali, you convince him of your plan. If it's a beautiful plan, it will work. And I know that the Mayor will not hesitate to maybe approve. And so that wala mo'y istambayan dyan, siguro ay paninan dyan, and siguro ay kahit tutuyan ni livelihood center dyan madlang. So, come on. We can become partners. We should become partners. So I know, kung hindi ito rin sunsit kami, tanong nakababayan tayo, sa ino si kanan approve at lang yan. So, pasensya ni Ikay, pag-uray-ray, butantes mo lang si Man. Guray-ray, after tayo ng lupong tagapamaya pa yung Man. Maramay seminar sa isang mapapay. Pangkapirayo din, imaniniray, kita yung Man, nuliak man naman kayo. So, ituloy mo yung one day man. But I think for now, nakaga kayo mo niya. Guray-ray, dutubitan, parang si kayo. I hope you will enjoy lunch in Amis in Tukot. Pinagduan ta ka ka lang. Pinata ko lang tayo dutujum. So, I hope I am very, very hopeful. I am always positive on anything that can happen in our municipality. We are always open to various innovations that you will introduce. We are always very happy to welcome whatever proposals that you can give us and you can present to us. We are always happy for that. So I hope you share my vision. I hope you share my vision. I hope next month, Gorma. And very, very soon. Very, very. Is it very soon? Is it very? I don't think so. Nung kami building, you know what we did? We set a deadline, and we followed the deadline. And then when it was finished, it was the most beautiful feeling ever because we were able to finish it on time, and we were able to finish it the way we wanted it to be. So, once in tatak mo damdam mo, ibigyan mo gagilihaman, it will happen, it can happen, it must happen. Yeah? And say no, kung kabus kita mo, alam mo mga tatagtaginam, but kung kabus kita ni kuwat, say no, kung mo ito ibang ka si other side of the river na kamusa. So, haman pangat, salamat, and salamat. So, ipag-consider yun ni office tayo as your meeting place. You're always welcome here. This is our home. This is for you also. So, thank you very much.
Wow. I cannot find a word to utter for that message, for those things that the Vice Mayor gave us. Utakon tulay, na-register kayo mga wala. No, sigurado, bigay lang tayo siya, dapat sure niya. So, utak na-register, kanin mga mabili na ka doon yung ano makumilit niya. Say, akat may disamo rin ang tauman ang mga niya, register niya. So, take note tayo mga country niya, no bilang issue tayo mga business tayo niya, what I first in customer. Di ba? They are the very first customer. So, we'll take into that, and then, I hope na, so, we will try to work with it, and of course, we cannot do them. We cannot do it if only us. So, of course, we need your help, we need your assistance, and yeah, cooperation. So, through cooperation, I think we can make it, or we'll be positive that we can make it. Kasi, as our experience from abroad, na we were very resilient. Tanyor pati sikat dyan, kaya nga ni Mantay abroad dyan, Association of Brave Katijo niya and Resilient OFWs. Kasi nalampasan tayo the challenges, she adawatan alin, especially in Hong Kong. So, thank you very much for that, Vice Mayor. So we now go to the, we have a presentation. Ay, siya po dyan, siya kami man lang practice. So this is our theme song. So when we were in Hong Kong, this is a winning piece also when we joined the Waranantani Adibay. So this song was a winning piece. So we got the Bukod is one of the Bukod was the winner of this Natawaray contest, and we always sing this every time we have a activity, especially the activity of Bukod. So this is our very theme song, which is titled Tulakat Angkan Tuay Tadawan. It's an Ibaloy song, which is I think the singer of this song is from Ato, I guess. So na-adapt niya yung action. So especially banag ng kansyon. So, i-kansyon may i-practice ni siya kasi we came from different places, so we don't have practice at all. So, siya kami mag-practice. And siya, akin na siya, audience ni wala mga si Sir, si Vice Mayor, at si Sir Rodas. Wala mga itanahan meron dyan staff yan. And I think before we go to that, we have a representative here from the Office of the Mayor. So, any message from the Office of the Mayor? Ma'am Lalin, come forward. Come on.
Good afternoon po. Pagmaya katawsada na naman natin. Anyway, pasensya taan siya si Mayor. Already naman ito equally important event ni man. And anyway, to our OFW returns, congratulations to our officers
Yeah, this morning, I talked with the mayor. The mayor talked to me kasi what I do want to kuno importante. So, kwanto yung iman ni representative. So, si Ma'am Shirley, namimbat ka ni Ma'am Shirley, kasi si Ma'am Shirley, visit ni other meetings. So, second day ng mayor, anyang ita, pura importante yung dawan ko, ang kanta ko si Vice Mayor, si Katulay Mahinda, and sikat yung bayan siya ang munisipyo. Waray lawan po kwanto. So nga, si Ma'am Laling is bali yung represent sa mayor. So, siguro next time, if we have other activities, mayor can join us. So, haman din pa ng mayor, basta kanto, okay, vice mayor, si Katulay, maindas mo si kayo. So, that's all. And, yeah, come in front and ang kinasya audience tayo.
Ano naman siya? Parang ito yelo, yelo. Ito yung yelo ito. Ako na may makatay photo, mangod man na kanta eh.
Kinasya audience niya. Practice namin siya. Wala. Sa title niya nga siya, ang kanto ay gadawan. Mancho Titirol. Ang kanto ay gadawan, tuloy ang gusto siyungan. Kami sasari sa kakadwasan na atin. Nung tando'y nigasari, amin kami. Magtansili makakat kami, tawaray onos mi. Sabay umasun na po siyo, kay kato. before we go to lunch, we'll have first the closing remarks to be given by Miss Melanie Antonio, the APRO President.
Picture on a video.
Maptanda maasyong tayo namin at maasyong magkaraan ka naman katidun mga. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of us here, the officers, the members, and our officials, si Vice Mayor. Baka dun naman ang tayo si Vice Mayor Ignacio. As I was medyo nandalaw ko niya, I'm very overwhelmed. I'm very happy to see each and every one of us. I did not expect that all the way from Baguio, they even came earlier than us. So, thank you very much. Hadera kayo tayo din na Davao Baguio. Tan kasama kayo tayo din na Davao Dambuklaw. Yan naman na siya yung kayo tayo na Davao Dambuklaw. Although, for how many years we have not seen each other since we came home from Hong Kong, tan wala naman kayo tayo busy irani business siya, busy irani pampaminjara. Salamat pa siya because you have heard our call. You came to be with us today. This event marks one of the most important events in our organization. As yung kondanan manang tayo, advisor tayo, auntie tayo, si Auntie Dingding, we all remember she is our longest president of the Bukod Hong Kong organization. Bukod Organization Hong Kong chapter, di ba? And a while ago, I was reminded, actually, I don't know, feeling of excitement or whatever. I remind ako ni Kay, di ba siya na magtaradyo? How many years have we been staying abroad? Some of us say 30 years, 32 years. I think the longest is 33 years. So, noon tayo, we spent almost half of our lives abroad than here in our municipality. So, we take it as a challenge. Mama ng taradyo, karakdan sun si katadyo, sun si kayo, mama ng taradyo, manang taradyo edad, manang taradyo experience. As your president, aligo na basta sikak ka presidente at sikak ni wala ibatong palo. Sa isang iapiyakon i-consonant sikak na dyan namin, especially to the officers, my fellow officers, we should always be open for suggestions. Suggestions, corrections, especially ni responsibilidad kayo as officers. No, maminsan, kulang amoy bilak tayo, dinakad tayo, di ay siya mo pa yun, no? Kaya nung nakakala doon na experience, aliwan siya. So, hata experiences tayo, di, abad ko challenge so lang si Katadjo, hata yung message da ng Vice Mayor so lang si Katadjo, we are given that idea. Inak na sa Katadjo ni idea that mabadi na pansukyan tayo, pambiyagan tayo muan. Actually, nung ta-inform tayo yaya organization, nansugya Katadjo, bakit we miss each other, we miss the bonding of each other, but we accept it or not, what we miss most is our monthly income. We miss dollars, di ba? Minis tayo income tayo. So that's what, one of our motivation. Nung toy, non-form Katadjo niya association tayo, tapian tayo, ang kanya Katadjo ko manit siya yung manakad Katadjo, ang kanay siya may swinso tayo asahan, and ito yung radiation tasin nyo, may hirap naman sukpen ko mo. Hirap ka man is mga pension, hirap ka man sukpen. Hatan may hirap at baka hatan mabudget at baka maintenance. So nga, kailangan tayong i-utilize pa lang. Siya kang napno ang Katadjo ni experience, napno ang Katadjo ni idea, makatsang Katadjo pa lang matamag-ugda. So nga, hadyo kung may motivation tayo namin, matatinulong kay Katadjo, mansyuki ni pan-income tayo actually. Pan-income tayo, pan-bisi-bisihan tayo, no itayo masubda mga income to. Siguro mga pantaktakan dyan kung siya dyan. Hatan tayo kung ng Vice Mayor, isa kaya abadag opportunity tayo i-follow up tayo lang sa ng Mayor. agmabdi na ipang ko kaya kita namin na dagang kaya ni officers po kita namin na dagang. Panta tinulungan tayo itan. And we officers, we should be, first of all, being an officer has its own challenges. It's a big responsibility actually. Aligon ako takatadyo bungat na sita na naksang malanhaman-haman. Actually, ang tatayo na minitan, dapat ready ka dyan masumang, ready ka dyan man accept ni criticism, ready ka dyan man accept ni man suggestions na dapat most of the time makakinonsong taga dyan. Kung tayo kapasingalin Hong datin unjun tayo normal sa kaya association siya man alino inag-observer tayo minis tayo kapasing siya association ang kinaman man sisinungbat kada jo ideas bungati apan sisinungbat ino maminsan iso nga dapat ansyo kayang i-confront tayo man sisinungbat ideas tayo nam at the end of the day we come up with the majority nungon to yan ni majority hamang ko may i-dream tayo panumanan ni association tayo say taphajay first hajay kamun suman niya kata sukian tayo pa na dapat sabay kumata magtangay pa suki tayo sa ino untaro-taron japan mitlangan Vice Mayor dan si Kagawad Ulas naman tayo ipawani tayo kaya tayo man form ni association na successful aligo pangata pan magtangan ni sa ito pan magtangan ni Shua pan magtangan tayo namintan dapat waray tulong tayo munisipyo tayo jet ay siyong ja nakikwantain konsya magdanamin aman bangat sita aman tayo no si pay aligo na members sita group chat tayo tapos group chat tayo taligon sa members i-include tayo jet aligon bangat ko man mangintag siya cooperation tayo nam abaduga salamat aligon sinalipan sakripisyon idaw alit siya katak-tak tayo tan nangkastos ko na din dimaw para panunin tayo namin say manunin kada Diyos ay kichita kansyon na kontrolan na dapat ulit kansyon tayo mantatinulong kada Diyos ng sisinuporta kada Diyos jet kakamda no kinitagda ng kagawatan si Vice Mayor day tanang nita suportaran mi kakugan tayo nagtalas na ito nga dapat wala ko man may wala sa sikarapitan ng June as one aligo batapan takang ko na ni Kaya aligo bumata para sa sakay para sa Shua we should remain as one ara kayo matakot na maminsan ka namin ngayon nakapatanasan ngayon dire-dire sa magpaiso na actually depends I'm open for suggestions nuwaray kamali waray kulang nung tumali man kukumidyo ako siya itinasun si Katajon officers nuwara maniman orisyan manang hamalat umumango say singamap talulay untaro-taro itana sinukian tayo kapanunod kita ay sinisyo man na ekwan i-close tayo mo mayatot na kaagang Katajon man ang kaagang Katajon tan nakalungkatik din sila sabi na tayo kanan tayo Salamat sa Sikara Junimi and congratulations.
Okay, that's the end. And again, nabanggit niya, although Vice Mayor is not here, pero baka may tanong here. Speaking. On the very first time na Indo ko request letter ko Japan Sir mabili na usal mita SPO kat siya gusto imakat mabili siya gusto so I was so very happy na kan mandigat dyan ang anak po no kito nandigat dyan ang anak ni punihel na tayo dyan activity and we thank you very much for our Vice Mayor for allowing us to use this hall and then as he said, as he mentioned a while ago, we can come anytime, or we can use this anytime if we need it. So let's give a big hand of applause for our Vice Mayor Hongko. Sir, thank you very much. And that's it. So let's now go to the wala ito ng Vice Mayor ako na mga sining-sing pa ito nito to. So let's go and have lunch.
Out po sa sitio. Kumusta ah, Conchita?
Okay, let's go for lunch now. Lunch muna. Diyan na nigbat-bat. To eat. Let's just go to the kitchen and see the food. As usual, the food is here. Wow. There. And this is how it looks. Okay. So, okay. So, mangan ma. Bye-bye.